This is MD Atta. Welcome back to Relive Code, a web development learning YouTube channel for beginners. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. In today's lecture, we will learn about some HTML formatting element. I hope you will learn the basic concept of HTML formatting element. So let's start our today's lecture. So in today's lecture, we will learn about HTML formatting. What is text formatting? How can implement following formatting elements in HTML? The formatting element contains bold, strong, emphasize, small, mark, delete, insert, subscript and superscript elements. So what is text formatting? HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meanings. For example, if we want to bold our text, we used B tag, or if we want to change the text format into italic, we use I tag. Similarly, subscript and superscript are used for formatting HTML text. So B element, what is B element and why we use B element in HTML? The HTML B element defines bold text without any extra importance. For example, if we want to bold a text, in this example, this text is bold, we use B tag. If we want to implement a B element in Notepad++, open Notepad++, create new file and write the basic syntax of HTML, save our file in the directory with name formatting, select extension, hypertext markup language. So this is the basic structure, and change the title with name formatting. So here we write a text, this is HTML text. So if we save and run, you can see here this is HTML text. If we want to bold this text, we use B tag as we learned. So B/B. If we save our document and refresh our page, you can see here the text is changed into bold. So this is the way how to bold HTML text. Next we learn about strong element. The HTML strong element defines text with strong importance. The content inside is typically displayed in bold. For example, and we define the text with strong importance, we use strong element. Here we can see if we have another HTML text, this is a strong HTML text. If we save our document and refresh our page, you can see here another HTML text. If we want to define this text with extra importance, we use strong element. So strong and strong closing tag. Save our document and refresh our page. You can see here the text is now strong, showing extra importance because it became strong. So this is the way how to use a strong element in HTML. Now we move forward towards I element. The I element defines a part of text in an alternate voice or mood. The content inside it typically displayed in italic. So if we want to change HTML text in italic, we use I tag. So if we implement the I tag in Notepad++, we use this is an italic HTML text and close it with I. If we save our document and refresh our page, you can see here the text is changed to italic. So this is the way how we change the text in italic. Next we learn about EM element. The HTML EM element defines emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. For example, you can see here this text is emphasized. For emphasizing this HTML text, we use EM element. If we implement the same example in Notepad++, we use EM tag, EM closing tag, and write something inside this tag. For example, you can say emphasized text. So this is the EM tag and this is the text which you want to emphasize. So if we save our document and refresh our page, you can see here this emphasized text. Next we learn small element. The HTML small element defines smaller text. You can see here an example of a small HTML element. If we want to write small text in HTML, we use small element. Mark element. The HTML mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted. For example, if we want to highlight a word in a sentence, we use mark element. For example, if we want to highlight emphasize a word in this text, we use mark element. So mark, and after the emphasized word, mark closing tag. If we save our document and refresh our page, you can see here the text automatically highlighted here. So this is the way how to highlight the word or sentence in HTML. Next we learn about delete element. If we want to delete some text or word in HTML, we use del tag. The HTML del element defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browser, we usually streak a line through deleted text. For example, you can see here, if we write a paragraph in HTML, if we want to delete a word from this paragraph, we use del element. If we implement the same example in Notepad++, we write a paragraph. Here we use paragraph. For example, we want to delete word from this paragraph. So for this purpose we use del element, del and del. So if we save our document, you can see here we use double delete in this sentence, and we want to delete the second delete word from this sentence. If we refresh this page, here you can see the second delete is deleted. So this line on this delete word shows that this delete word is deleted from this paragraph. So this is the way how to use del element in HTML. Next we learn about insert element. Similarly to the delete, we use insert. The HTML insert element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browser, we usually underline inserted text. If we implement the same example in Notepad++, we use ins tag and write second, because we want to delete second delete word from this paragraph. So if we save our document and refresh our page, you can see here the second is inserted here and the delete word is deleted from this paragraph. So this is the way how to use delete and insert tag in HTML. Next we learn about sub-element. The HTML sub-element defines subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. For example, in chemical formulas, you have seen the digit is appear half a character below the normal line. If we want to use these chemical formulas in our websites or in HTML, we use subscript for this purpose. For example, you can see here the subscript word in between the sub element is shown half a character below the normal line. Next we learn about superscript. Superscript element defines superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and it is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. You can see here an example how to use superscript in our HTML. For example, if you want to implement subscript and superscript in Notepad++, we write a paragraph explanation of subscript and superscript. If we want to implement subscript on subscript word and superscript element on superscript word, we use sub element for subscript and similarly superscript element for superscript word. So if we save our document and refresh our page, you can see here this is the subscript and this is the superscript as I explained in the slide. So this is the way how to use formatting element in HTML, and here is the practical implementation of these formatting element in HTML text. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel for more videos.